Proverbs 26, 1 through 2. Like snow in summer or rain in harvest, so honor is not fitting for a fool. Like a sparrow in its flitting, like a swallow in its flying, a curse that is causeless does not alight. May God Almighty, and Yahweh add to the blessing and reading of their word. Like snow in summer, it just doesn't belong. I mean, typically in summer, you don't get snow. Sometimes you do. And it depends on what elevation and what part, far away from the equator. Or rain and harvest. Sometimes rain, as we discussed in another proverb, it is. So this one, again, is twisted a little bit. And you got to remember, this was written to the Jew in Israel or the Middle East. Okay, so honor is not fitting for a fool. This is true. If you're a fool, you should not be honored. And if you are, there's big problems because you're most likely in a godless, lawless society and culture. Okay, like a sparrow in its flitting, like a swallow in its flying, a curse that is causeless does not alight. Typically, this is true, but not always. Sometimes you so cursed someone from upstairs and down here because of your jealousy, your envy, and your greed. Yeah, that it sticks for a while. But eventually, it swipes away like Teflon. So, a sparrow in its flitting. Sometimes it's because they're mating, sometimes it's because they're hurt. Like a swallow in its flying. Barn swallows are one of the most beautiful birds, and them flying after the insects to feed their bellies. A curse that is causeless does not alight. Just the other day, I saw a bird stunned. And I do believe in metaphysics. I believe in theosophy. I believe in God. I believe in truth. And yes, I believe the highest religion is truth. So that being said, I saw, I think, an English sparrow or something like that on the side of my house. Its eyes were dazed and its wing seemed like it was sort of broken. And I didn't know what to do. I didn't know if I should leave it and possibly like another animal get it before I got my gloves. But then I was like, you know what? I'm just going to forget the gloves. Because the bird could peck at me. I didn't want to be pecked at. So I prayed over myself. Touched its chest, its belly. And off it flew. It got out of its stunned stage. And then it came to me. A demon had hit it. It got hit as it was flying by a demon, a strong enough demon to cause it to be like this. And its arm to be like, oh my goodness, I can't use it. Yeah. So anyways, that being said, it flew away into the bush and was happy as can be. So that's what came to me when I read that. Toodaloo. Have a great day.